Hello, everyone. Today we are visiting somewhere very peaceful and very special. Elor, a Christian graveyard.
A graveyard is not a sad place. It is a place of love. Every grave is the story of a life. Gate, stone pillars, plaque hall tells the name and when it was built. Established means started. This cemetery was established in 1847. This is the entrance to the graveyard. The graveyard is also called a cemetery. Both words mean the same thing, a place where people are buried after they die. When we enter a graveyard, we are respectful. We walk quietly, we speak softly. This is the pathway through the graveyard. Pathways help us walk through without stepping on the graves.
Graveyards have old and new grain, wind, and time. Newer ones are polished granite. Some headstones here are over 100 years old.
Let me tell you about Christian burial traditions. First one, the funeral service. This is held in the church. Then the funeral procession. In most Christian graveyards, there is a church nearby. This is the church, a place of worship. Many graveyards have memorial benches, donated by families in memory of a loved one. This plaque says Eleanor Rose.
Today I will teach you graveyard vocabulary, traditions, customs, and useful English phrases. By the end you will know so many new words. Let us begin. Famous graveyards. Arlington National Cemetery in America, soldiers and heroes. Père Lachaise in Paris, most beautiful in the world.
How to read a headstone. Cross at the top, in loving memory, the name, the dates of birth and death, and a final message from the family. This is a grave pad, the place in the ground where a person is buried. This is a headstone hive. It marks the grave. Can you see that person working in the background? That is the groundskeeper. The groundskeeper cuts, maintains the paths, and rest in peace, gone but not forgotten, forever in our hearts, beloved, in loving memory. These are phrases of love and remembrance. A headstone teaches grammar. He was born, he lived for 78 years. He is remembered. Past tense, to be.
Quiz! The stone marker on a grave equals headstone. In loving memory equals we remember this person with love. Well done! Facts! Cemetery comes from Greek, meaning sleeping place. Old graveyards face east. The oldest in England are over 1,000.
Gentle English words. Passed away, deceased, departed, lost, gone. We use these kind words to speak about death with respect and care. Look at the nature. A robin, ivy, a butterfly, ancient oak trees. Old graveyards are full of nature. Special occasions. All Saints' Day of November 1st, light candles. Remembrance Day of remember soldiers. Quiz time. 2 questions. What do we call the person who maintains and cares for the graveyard? A, the priest. B, the groundskeeper. C, the mourner.
Some graves have statues. This angel represents God's messengers and protection. The cross is the central symbol of Christianity. Both are symbols of faith.
3 types of grave markers. The headstone hearse stands upright. The flat marker lies on the ground. Families leave flowers and items on graves. Lilies amps peace. Roses amps love. A candle amps light and hope. Repeat. He was born in 1940. She lived a long and happy life. They loved each other. Past tense, so important. Let us review today's key phrases. Rest in peace. In loving memory. Gone but not forgotten. Beloved. Let us review all our vocabulary. Graveyard, cemetery, grave, pathway, church, headstone, flat marker, complete review. Can you remember all of these? Graveyard, cemetery, grave, headstone, plaque, tomb, groundskeeper. Every person here had a story, a full life, people who loved them. One day someone will tell our story too, so make it a good one. Thank you for visiting with me today. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe. New lesson every week, a new place every time. Keep learning. Goodbye.